South Indian kingdoms. Last episode, we have seen the North Indian Muslim rule when Islam culture was spreading in northern and central India. Hindu culture evolved in the southern areas of India. There were different Hindu empires which ruled over southern parts of India. We will go in detail about the kingdoms of South India. Before that, let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also. We have seen Mughal Empire and Akbar's administration of northwest India. Up to central part of India, it was Akbar's empire. Below that, southern part of India were in the control of South Indian kingdoms. There were different South Indian kingdoms: Chalukyas, Pallava, Chola, Chera, Pandya, Vijayanagar, Bamini were the famous South Indian kingdoms. Chalukya, Pallava, Chola, Chera, Pandya, Vijayanagara and Bamini. What were their contribution to the country? South Indian kingdom were concentrating on constructions of temples. Their kingdom spread over the Deccan region from Krishna and Tungabhadra rivers. A large number of temples in the Dravidian style. The temples of South India functioned as the religious places along with the philosophic, politics, economic and cultural centers. Philosophy, grammar and literature were taught in the temples. There were educational institutions and hospitals related to the temples. These were functioned with the help of Naduvazhis and rich merchants. Kanchipuram temple had the status of a modern university which offered different subjects. Temples provided livelihood for lots of people. During the time of famine, food were supplied from the temples. Towers of temples helped to find the location of places where hospitals also attached to the temples. Chalukyas constructed a number of temples in the Dravidian style. Temples of Kanchi show the achievement of Pallava kings. The Rathas of Mahabalipuram reveal their expertise in sculpture work. Majority of Chola kings were devotees of Shiva. The idols of Nataraja at Chidambaram temple is the most notable among Chola sculptures. An important feature of Chola administration was autonomous villages. Ur and Mahasabha, two assemblies were there in the villages. Irrigation, transport, law and order, tax collection were done by the local government, done by the local sabhas. It had the participation of people. Pandya dynasty had their capital in Madurai. You might have heard of the famous Madurai Meenakshi temple. Pallavas made the temples, Temple of Kanchi, Kailasanatha temple and Shore temple. Vijayanagara Empire was formed in the year 1336. Krishnadevaraya, with the Battle of Talikota in the year 1565, this empire was collapsed. Bahmani kingdom was formed by Alauddin Hassan in the year AD 1347. And literature and education made great progress during this period. We see that the temples of South India were the centers of creativity and devotion. These are the major things about South Indian kingdoms. We will meet again with another topic in the coming episode. Let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also.